What construction materials increase property value for tax? If you are curious about how certain construction materials can boost your property's value for tax purposes, you are in the right spot. Let's break down the facts to help you understand this topic better. When it comes to property assessments, the materials that become a permanent part of your property play a significant role. Items like lumber, stone, brick, drywall, windows, and roofing materials are all considered when assessing property value. These materials are not just about their cost. They contribute to the overall market value of your property once construction is complete. For instance, when you add a new room or a garage, the materials used in that construction will likely increase the assessed value of your property. This is because they become fixtures of the real property. If you decide to install tile roofing instead of shake roofing, that can also raise your property's value. However, if you simply replace your roof with the same material, that is seen as routine maintenance and usually does not trigger a reassessment. Built-in features also matter. Materials used for cabinetry, countertops with sinks, or electric signs attached to the building are considered fixtures. These additions can significantly increase your property's market value, which in turn raises the assessed value for tax purposes. Outdoor structures are another area where materials can add value. If you build a patio, deck, pool, or sunroom, these are seen as new construction. The materials used in these projects will contribute to the overall property value during the assessment process. When assessors evaluate your property, they look at the fair market value added by these new constructions or improvements. This includes the value of the materials used. The new construction value becomes the base year value for assessment, which may lead to an increase in your property tax bill. It is important to note that routine repairs or cosmetic upgrades that do not add significant market value typically do not affect property tax assessments. So, if you are considering renovations, focus on substantial, permanent improvements to see a real impact on your property's assessed value. In summary, construction materials that are part of significant, permanent improvements, like framing lumber, masonry, roofing materials, and built-in fixtures, will contribute to an increase in property value for tax assessment purposes. Materials used only for maintenance or minor repairs generally do not affect property tax assessments.